Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Here we come again. Amazing, a magic of jute, different style makeover with natural gold jute. Hope you like, so please must watch video till the end. Stay tuned with us. Different and stunning, amazing, homemade. Such a beautiful crafting, especially for your upcoming Christmas event. Easy, simple, budget friendly, and most important, eco friendly. When you made your own hand, actually, you make memories, and if you use your old and recycling material, you can save your planet. If you are new to our channel, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing videos, and also visit. There is lots of amazing and beautiful homemade crafting DIY projects, step-by-step tutorial, which can help you to make your home cozy and beautiful. Jute is a stuff which is naturally gold when the sun light shading on it, sparkling like magical gold. When you made something this natural gold, instantly your material turn into a beautiful and stunning magical. I'm sharing you in this video lots of amazing different easy crafting ideas. Instantly make your home cozy, warmland and rustic. Each and every ornaments you can use. You can also use your old and recycling material, your leftover fabric, to make something unique and beautiful. Christmas is not just spending too much. When someone come to your home and look at your stuff, you get your homemade crafting. He definitely asked you where did you buy. Then you smiled and proudly said, I made it. If you like these stunning ideas, so please share the video with your friends and family, and must post your valuable comments, your suggestions, your thoughts, which is very valuable for me. As I already stated, I appreciate your support for my channel for growing day by day. So really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Please keep supporting and keep watching my channel. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. Stay blessed. Remember me in your prayers. Stay healthy. Take care of your parents. Take care of your children. Have a wonderful and amazing holiday season. Keep enjoying and please keep watching my channel and keep supporting me again. God bless you all.